So what we're gonna start with is a cream shadow, and you can use any brand, any kind you want. And we're going to apply to the lid, just to the lower part underneath the crease. And you wanna make sure to buff that out after you apply it as fast as you can so that it blends, because otherwise it stays pretty well and you don't wanna have it set too quickly. And you're probably gonna buff it up until the crease line, until it's completely smoothed out and there's no hard lines. And open your eyes for me. And then you're gonna take a neutral color eyeshadow. This one is like a light, any color that matches your skin. And you're gonna place that into the crease. And that just ties in the other color, and there's no harsh lines. Then you're going to take an eyeliner. I'm gonna use brown, but you can use black, you can use green, whatever color you want, depending on what you're wearing. And you're just gonna take it in little strokes of the motion. You're not gonna do one continuous line, otherwise it will get kind of choppy in between. Once you're done with the eyeliner, you're gonna take a dark color eyeshadow, and it could be any color. It could be blue, it could be green, it could be purple, and you're gonna buff out that eyeshadow with a small brush like this, or sorry, the eyeliner with a small brush like this. This will also set the eyeliner so it doesn't run down your face by setting it with a shadow or a powder. And open your eyes. And then you're gonna take the eyeliner again and look up for me. And you're gonna bring it into the waterline just about halfway. And then again, take that same dark color that you used for the top of the eye, and you're gonna place it with the same brush right underneath the lashes and just wiggle it underneath up until that same spot where you stopped the eyeliner. And just buff that out. And then you're gonna do the other eye. Turn your head this way. So again, you're just gonna take it right underneath the lash line, all over the lid. I'm sorry, not underneath the lash line, right underneath the crease right here. And then buff that out. And you need a fluffy brush kind of like this to do that, to make sure it blends really well. So once that's all smoothed out and it's all, you can see that there's no harsh lines. Again, you're gonna take a neutral color eyeshadow like this and fill in that crease. And it's not really easy to see. You don't want something super strong in the crease, something really natural looking. You're gonna take the eyeliner again in little strokes. And again, a small brush like this with a dark color shadow to buff that in. And again, it's setting the eyeliner so it won't get all over your face or melt. The eyeliner in the waterline right here, up until right about halfway. And the same brown shadow. underneath the lashes and buff that out. Then you're done with the eye, and all you're gonna do is apply the mascara. And look up for me. And there you have it. Easy, fast, beautiful makeup look.